Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, good morning. Yes, I am live right now. Yes, I am. Why does it sound like this? Hold on. Let me fix my mic. London session sometimes, you know? Sometimes. But yeah, I wanted to see pound CPI, which is looking bullish for GBP. Oh, we had a push up even though CPI is going down. Not bad, not bad. So 2.7 forecast came out at 2.6. Core CPI was higher. How you doing? Mike? It's late for you, ain't it? Do you trade London session? I just want to see what pound does here for GBP. Still very bullish on GJ. So I'm here to have positions in gold. Okay, cool. Definitely gonna go back to gold. I do want to see what GJ does. I was expecting a pullback. Yep, so we got a nice pullback on the daily. This candle could be the candle to push up. This daily candle. Let's see if we can break out of the Asian range and keep going. What, gold? Were you in gold buys or sells, Mike? NAS. I'm not even looking at NAS. Ooh. Oh, how's that sound? So yeah, DXY, I don't know, it's kind of ranging, isn't it? We're just playing inside this massive range here. But currently looks bearish, which is bullish for gold. Gold right now, I want to see if gold respects these Asian highs and comes back down, or if we keep pushing, because the daily, I mean, we've really been moving today. Gold has been moving. Broke yesterday's high very early on into Asian session. Strong push up. 4 hour, very bullish. 1 hour bullish. In long since 4023 and 4072, nice. And another entry at 4127. Hope it can reach 4145 and best maybe 4168. Cool. Nice. If gold keeps pushing, I want to see it get to 4200 or at least 4180. But if it's going to continue bearish, I think it creates a lower high below 4180. Because I'm still bearish on gold, so I mean, hold on, if I was going to draw it out, it's doing this. I'll be looking for a lower high below here to then come lower. Something like that. In fact, let's split screen it. I'm gonna keep an eye on this 4 hour. But that's because I have a bearish bias. If it retests the previous level, then all good. But I am structure-wise, I'm still bearish on gold. I'm always looking for the move up to then take the sells back down. DXY is in retracement zone. Yeah, if DXY keeps coming down, I see gold pushing up some more. Where do you think it's going to retrace to? Alright, I want to keep an eye on the pound. Okay, so it's respecting this resistance and pretty much Asian highs. This candle has no bottom wick. It had to come back down and create a little bottom wick, right? Just a little bottom wick. Doesn't have to be long. I'm also got my eye on this 4-hour candle because look, we pushed up into this 4-hour resistance right here. We didn't close above. So if this 4-hour candle doesn't break this high, if it flips bearish, I think we're coming back down. So I'm gonna keep my eye on this. Of course. Is that it? It's not going to make a longer bottom wick. Let's see what the 1 hour is looking like. Oh, and this 1 hour engulfed the previous candle too. There we go. Okay, we're gonna keep pushing. Yeah, so we've got to keep going up. We need a wick fill of this last 4 hour, break the high, and keep it moving. Come on, gold. Hope we don't get a slow London session. Not gonna lie, more focused on, I'm looking at gold, but GJ is the reason I'm up. Well, I'm trading on stream. CPI. Right, where's the highs? 41, 100 pips away, not bad. Now, why did we push up so much? Let's see if there was any news last night. Japan Finance Minister Katayama will take necessary steps on Forex as required. Okay, so they're talking about yen, possible yen intervention. Estimates Iran war has cost 37 billion. Oh my god. Oh look. They're saying oil could get to 120. Yo. One of my things is though, I think it should push up. If gold does retrace, I don't think this is going to be like a big retracement because we don't have a top wick here. Oh, it does, but it's very small. It's like, this is tiny. It's very small. Nah, we got to come up and make a top wick. Got to come back for that wick. It's ridiculous. See what DXY is doing over here. Playing this little range. I'm thinking maybe sells on pound yen, depending on how this candle closes. Yeah. So how long do you plan to stay up, Mike? You're not going to watch the whole trade. You don't sleep with your trades on? No, you're here for now. Canada is 12.17. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. If I could stay up to trade Asian session, I would love it. But I'm a morning person. Prefer being up early and having my whole day. In 2 hours start London session? Yep. So I trade like I always trade like market opens. So pre-market into the open. I think GJ sells if this candle closes weak. We have a continuation pattern potentially to come down. I like it. Got 30-minute support there. So Mike, do you close partials on your way up? Or you hold full positions? Will you still go live during the NY session? I might not. I'm not sure yet, to be honest. Damn, look at GJ, perfect. I didn't want GJ to drop without me. GJ. Keep my eye on pound yen. It's a slow moving pair anyway. It's not like gold. Said I'm looking for a retest of Asian highs for a sell. You said that already. I like it. I like it. Even gold is taking its time though. But you know, good old London session. It's always a bit slow, isn't it? Clean range as well for the cells. Broken 4-hour lows. Yeah, I think GJ is gonna come down a bit more before we start the retracement back up. What did we say? You almost closed the last one. 4127. Got you. Yeah, my thing with gold is the fact that why I like the sells. Obviously, I've been bearish on gold for a while. I think I've been screaming sells for a while now. And you know, look, we're at this 4-hour resistance. We didn't close above. We got this nice long top wick, this wicky area to the left, and this 4-hour is kind of struggling to push up, though we still have a lot of time left. There's still a lot of time left for this 4-hour candle, so anything can happen, but I can see this pulling back. I did say I'm not sure, Thanker Robin, if I'm gonna go live. Got a couple meetings today, but you're here now. Take advantage of this right now. Ooh. You know what? If gold closes below this support, I might scalp some sells. Honestly. I might scalp some sells at 4-hour, respecting that high. Let's see how much of this candle it retraces. Alright, how long we got? 3 minutes, just under 4 minutes. Cool. Few days coming down too. Gold, wait for me. Don't go too far. Just want a little quick scalp. That's it. Nothing crazy. Oh my god. I was going to say TradingView is frozen because my broker's moving faster than TradingView. Damn. Come on, gold, man. Gotta wait. So look, I want to see potential retracement levels. So maybe down to 41.10. Gold is going to continue up. But obviously this candle hasn't closed yet, so it's not really the high point. This is interesting. Damn, gold. Wait for us. Gold don't want to wait. GJ2. Oh man. That's cold. Cold, I can't lie. This red candle, maybe reaction is there. Maybe. I just want to see where it closes anyway. Got an hour, 30 minutes left for this 1 hour. So we got time. Got some time. This DSY is really playing this range too. Not gonna lie, man, I wanted these pound yen sells. I didn't think it would flip and drive this much in the same candle. Like, it's annoying. Alright, like some sells right here. Ooh, gonna break this low. Keep pulling back. Ooh. What are we doing, gold? What are we doing? Talk to me. Oof, this candle closed with no bottom wick. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Rosie, what's up, girl? Morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Back to London already? Nah, not yet, not yet, not yet. Thinking about it, thinking about it. But now I just want to see what gold is, what gold's got going on right here. Kind of waiting for this 1 hour candle to close. You know, see how deep gold is gonna pull back or retrace the push up, because you know we're never gonna go straight up. Price doesn't always just go straight in one direction. You know, if we're bullish, we gotta have a bit of a bearish pullback. If we're bearish, we're gonna have a bullish pullback, right? Not every pullback means a complete reversal, and that's something that it took me a while to realize. Facts, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Ooh, pound yen. Pound yen still might give me some sells. Just where would the stop loss be? That's the problem. This is such a small stop loss. So small. Maybe back in the Asian range, above the daily flip. Okay, gold, this is good, this is good. Expecting that 23. Potentially. If it respects this level here, we should get a good push up to 41, 45. Good, because I want a top wick. Come on, gold, what are we doing? Oh, they're struggling. What do you reckon, guys? We bounce from here? DJ doing? I want pound yen to close weak bullish right here so I can get a continuation for it to drop back down. That's really what I want. And then gold. So my thing with gold is like gold's all over the place. I wish this 4 hour. You know what? There's like 2.5 hours left for this 4 hour candle. So the fact that it's respecting this resistance, it doesn't really matter just yet. There's so much time left. Look at this. It's a very, very low volume candle. Maybe we have to wait for market open. Most likely, right? Well, we know London has low volume. Yes, why is coming back down? Right. Are we gonna move? See, I would have liked the sells if I got a closure blow and then we started breaking this low, but because it's struggling so much, I think this is just a little pullback to continue up. Ooh. Why I didn't like the fact that pound yen closed with no bottom wick is because sometimes when that happens, when the next candle or a future candle creates that wick, it doesn't close below. So this pullback is kind of expected. Got 13 minutes left. I think 8 o'clock might bring some volume. No more news today. Wait, Trump speaks? What's Trump speaking about? Shush. Probably war stuff. Can imagine. I think All right, Mike. Peace out. Gold is moving very slow, isn't it? All right. Peace, peace, peace. Good night, good night. Oh, most likely get that London session range, but I want to see what market open does. That's really what I want to see. If we don't get much movement there, yeah, we might be cooked. We might be cooked for this session. $101,248 DXY touches the last. You might swing up. If that swings up, that's not good for your it's not good for your gold buyers. The price pushes up that far. You want DXY to come down, right? For the gold buyers. I don't know, it seems like it might retrace this whole push. Right, so we didn't break that low. Struggling. GJ's pushing back up. I wonder if it's just retesting Asian lows on the daily flip. I wonder. Okay, gold, we are not breaking these lows. How long we got left? 4 minutes? 5 minutes? Okay, this is good. If this closes back up in here though, I mean, it's only the Asian range. Ooh, gold be breaking. So close, so close. Yep, did we break that low? Yeah, it looks like it. Just about. Wonder if it's gonna pop. Ooh. Damn, it just swept the lows. It broke, but it didn't drive down. It didn't drive down. Alright, so it's a very weak bearish candle closure below this little range here. Very weak. GJ, was that just a retest? I think it was. Let's see how this 1 hour looks. Alright, so the 1 hour did close below the 23.6. So I'll be looking for a retest of 41.10, 41.11. Oh, maybe it wasn't just a retest. Let's see if GJ pushes back up into this range. Are you telling me, GJ? We bullish or what? Alright, GJ was a nice little break and retest. Very nice little break and retest. How far was this actual move? This move right here was at furthest 14 pips. Yeah, that's not much. Not much at all. Ooh, gold breaking the lows. Not really just getting a drive though. Do you think it retraces this whole Asian move? This Asian push? You want it to, what, now? Already? I wouldn't mind if it does. You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind it. Look at GJ pushing back up. GJ back in the range. Back to Asian highs. For 112. Yeah, there's a nice little rejection there, right? Nice little tap. That's what I do then. This way I can break this support. I think we can push down some more. That'd be good for gold buyers. But I think, yeah, I think a little drop before the push up would be good for gold. Oh, gold, gonna give us a little swing here. Give me 1 second. My cat is outside making noise. Or inside. 1 sec. Right. I'll be back. You reckon, guys, we get the swing up here? Because we kind of swept the lows. I don't know. I want to see a retest of these Asian highs for gold. Know what I mean? Oh. What's DJ doing? Oh, DJ. This looks like it's been a big move. It's literally been like 5 pips. Alright, entries. If gold can... Do you know what? Once this line is broken, though, kind of like a retest of the one below. Like with the fibs. You know, if we close below one level, I want a retest of the level below. So, do I wait for that before I look for some buys? I would still like buyers above 218 for gold buys. I mean for GJ buys. If it can clear this range, that would be perfect. You know what I mean? What's wrong with this cat? Hold on. Alright. Alright, so we may get some GJ buys here in the next 10 minutes. That'd be great. a nice move up. Go on, can it just break back above this support? Okay, so maybe buys on gold and GJ shortly. Coming up. Cool. So we're retesting these Asian highs again. All we need to do is just push. That's it? That's all the push up we're gonna get, gold? Nah, I don't believe that. Come on, give me a strong closure pound yen as well. Give me a strong closure. Oh, so confused. 30-minute broke the highs and the lows. Broke the highs and the lows. Alright, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Perfect. One minute, not closing back in the range. I was hoping gold would close back above this little support. Might be asking a bit too much. What, GJ now? GJ now? Let's see where this is trying to close. Only thing, stop loss would be huge. Huge. Is it gonna close though? It's not gonna close above 30 seconds. Come on. No way. Damn, didn't get that closure above. Oh, but gold is moving. Oh, damn. Damn. What was that? That looks dangerous right there. What was that? Bank of Japan is said to be close to the stage of anchoring, not sparing inflation. So they just gained some strength. Yeah, I ain't messing with GJ, because what was that? You know what? We closed right. Look where it happened. Right at the Asian highs. Bank of Japan widely seen holding interest rates in July after June hike. What? That's like a random headline. Okay, that was a very random spike. That was a crazy spike, man. Annoying when Bank of Japan does random headlines like and then look, we dropped and then we just spike right back up. That happened very quick. Very quick. Like I said, I want to see what happens with gold though. Me, it kind of looks like a break and retest, right? But no, I'm gonna see where the 1 hour closes. I don't know, I'm not feeling this price action. GJ, that was very treacherous though. That was a crazy drop. It was actually a crazy drop. That just a break and retest then? Nah, come on, can't have been. It's open to raising rates faster than every 6 months. Okay, that's what's giving the yen strength. That makes sense. That makes sense. They said they weren't going to intervene with currency. So I guess there's no currency intervention, but obviously they're still going to have monetary policy that supports their economy, right? That's going to be very interesting. So is that gonna be? I wonder what everything else did. Oh wow. So pound yen didn't have the biggest spike. This was 46 pips. Wow. That's bad. How big was this one? Was this one? Oh, this one was big. 52 pips. Okay, I'll take it back. Jeez. DXY had a nice little spike down. So I wonder how. Alright, DXY is coming down. Why is gold not pushing up? Wonder if that was just a reaction as well. Okay, so break and retest maybe? But we've broken the high. Let's see if we can respect the low. But like I said, I did kind of want a retest of the 38.2 if we were going to continue up. Since we already broke the 23.6. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I wonder if yen's going to keep dropping then. I mean, keep gaining strength. We going down.
Who made this jollof rice? Who the
Bit of a deeper pullback. Yeah, gold. I mean, GJ might keep coming down. Might keep dropping. To be fair. I think so. But if you get this retest for 41.11ish. It's gonna go up. Why do you believe it's gonna go up? Hi, good morning, good morning. Good morning. I'm just looking for price to react to one of these levels. It passed the 23, so if it can hold down here, which it hasn't quite tapped into it yet, we've got 15 minutes, and yeah. I caught this trade during Asia. I'm out now though. What trade did you catch? What trade are you talking about? Gold you bought during Asia? Okay, nice. Well done, well done, well done. Good job. Oh, GJ is doing the most. There we go. Ooh. A nice pullback. But to be fair, I mean, I am bearish on gold. If it decides to keep going down, then I'm for that too. I'm glad I didn't take an entry here. I would have been stopped out. I didn't have a decent stop loss. XY, where are we going? Came all the way back up. What a London session, eh? Nice little pullback from Asian highs. Very slow drop. I don't really see a good spot to like to even have taken the sells back, like the pullback, the retracement. Do you reckon it's gonna go all the way back down to Asian lows, guys? I think it could. I think it could. How quick? That I don't know. Alright. But look, these last 2 hourly candles looking good for a bit of a pullback. EJ's playing all the games today. All the games. Oh my god, give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. I need to just close around here. What price is the 38 to? Yeah, close above 41.11. If not, I think we're coming back down to at least, you know what I mean? We're just going to work our way down to the next fib level. If we start closing below, you know? I wanted to sell, but they might have gone without me. Maybe. I don't know. I still want to retest. I want price to pull up before it comes back down. We still have an hour for this 4-hour candle as well. I do get that, you know, price respecting this 4-hour resistance here. I just don't think the cells really set up nice. There wasn't a nice setup for the cells at all. Not yet, so I don't think you've missed your opportunity properly, you know what I mean? I'm gonna see how this candle closes and then I'm gonna make some breakfast. DJ doing? DJ still hovering around 218. Crazy spike down. Still can't believe this spike down, man. It's acting like flipping gold. Random headlines. Not cool. I'm not sure, to be honest. I doubt it though. But I wanted to get a stream in today, at least. Do you know what I mean? I've got something to do later. I'm not sure how long it's gonna run. That's why. But I don't want to miss a stream. And London session has been very eventful. So this might be a good place to close. You know, we've tapped this 38.2. You know what? Let's move. Prices on the left. All right, so if we close, you know, below 41.11, then 41.04 is the next level. 41.05. Give us a little push up in this last minute. It's a little push up. Oh, 10 pips. 10 pips. It's not looking good, is it? 41.04 next. We're not getting a bounce here. Doesn't want to give us the bounce. Oh, a nice little spike up. That was close. It kind of closed right on it. That was cheeky. That was cheeky. That was a weird little close right there. Very weird. Alright guys, but yeah man, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here and see you guys. Gold is bullish now till November. Why do you think that? Gold is not bullish. Why do you think gold is bullish until November? Not gonna lie, I kind of disagree, not gonna lie. Gold for me is only bullish once it breaks above 4,300. Then gold is bullish. You know what I mean? Because for now, look, we've got a lower high, lower low, in fact, lower high, lower low. It's easier to see it like this. So in fact, no, this is the last lower high. If we get a change of structure and we break above 41, we close. If we close above this area here, 41.75, push up and then start creating uptrend structure, then I'll be bullish on gold. But below the last lower high, I'm still bearish. So yeah, I'll follow the overall trend until there's a change of structure, and then I'll adjust my bias. But while this war is still ongoing in Iran, I don't see gold being bullish, honestly. Nope, nope, nope. Well, make a bottom wick at least. But yeah guys, I will see you later. Have a good one. Have a good rest of your session. Peace out, peace out. Deuces, deuces.